Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the brush tool in your whiteboard presentations on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your whiteboard presentation on Wrike inside your space, and then you will see the brush tool at the bottom. You may use it also by activating the shortcut B, click into it and then select the brush thickness here, the color to the right. You may go with one of these presets or click into custom color here, for example, to create one, or click into this button here, use the color picker, or select the color from that list here to add it to your list of colors. And now it has been saved. So what you want to do is now draw it, use your left mouse to draw something. So let me draw an emoji. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.